2026 Audi Q8 represents a bold evolution of Audi's flagship SUV coupe, blending high-end luxury with cutting-edge technology and aggressive styling. From its commanding presence on the road to its refined driving dynamics, the Q8 continues to assert itself as a top contender in the premium SUV segment. With a redesigned front fascia that includes a wider, more angular grille, matrix LED headlights, and more muscular lines, the new Q8 embodies a sportier and more modern look. Audi has also updated the rear with sleeker tail lights featuring dynamic turn signals and an illuminated light bar that stretches across the back, adding to its futuristic character. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi Q8 comes with a range of powertrain options. The base model features a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 mild hybrid engine producing around 335 horsepower, offering smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency for its size. For performance enthusiasts, Audi continues to offer the SQ8 variant, which houses a more powerful V8 engine that generates over 500 horsepower, delivering exhilarating performance and a sportier ride. All models come standard with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring confident handling and traction in all driving conditions. The adaptive air suspension further enhances comfort and agility, adjusting seamlessly between sporty and relaxed driving modes. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Q8 offers a mix of high-tech luxury and meticulous craftsmanship. The interior is dominated by dual touchscreens integrated into the center console, controlling everything from navigation to climate settings. The latest version of Audi's MMI interface is faster and more intuitive, featuring haptic feedback and natural voice command recognition. Premium materials such as Valcona leather, brushed aluminum, and open-pore wood trim provide an upscale environment. The ambient lighting system can be customized to suit the driver's mood, while the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. Passenger comfort is prioritized, with ample headroom and legroom in both rows, despite the Q8's sloping roofline. The seats are supportive and available with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Cargo space remains generous for the segment, making the Q8 a practical choice for families or long-distance travel. Advanced safety features are abundant, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera, and Audi's pre-sense suite of driver assistance technologies. A new feature for 2026 is the semi-autonomous driving mode, which allows for hands-free driving on certain highways under specific conditions. Connectivity is another highlight, with support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, and over-the-air updates to keep software current. Audi also offers a digital key feature that allows owners to lock, unlock, and start the vehicle using their smartphone. The Q8's refined balance of luxury, perfo.